Hi you guys, this is this video is gonna about I'm gonna show you how to do how to kickstart your scooter. You know, you're riding a scooter and the battery, you never know when it's gonna die out, and if the batteries die out or you don't know when, let's say you go to the mall and you come back and trying to start your scooter with the electric start and it won't work. The first thing you should try to do is trying to kickstart the scooter, and let me show you the proper way how to do it. Now there's a lot of people, as you see the kickstart right here, right? So you pull it out, right? You're supposed to kick it downward to start it, but most people did it kind of the wrong way. It's kind of the awkward way, because when you kick it down like this, that's how you start, right? But if you put your leg, that's good. So when you put your leg this side, when you hold on the rail right here, and you put your leg this side and trying to kick it down, when your leg force going down, it's only go about this much. It won't go around here. So you see the loop right here like this. So the force of kicking it down this word, it won't go smooth, right? So most people teach you how to kick this way, and that's the incorrect way. So the right way is you're supposed to stand this way, the other side, and put your leg up like this, and you hold on both sides and you kick it down. So your force kick downward like this way is make more sense, and it give you a solid kick to start your scooter. So let me show you how to do it. So usually make sure that you have your kill switch turned off, and then you switch your key to on to start, right? And what you do is, let me show you how to do it the correct way. So what you do is you just put a hold like this, and then you kick it down, right? So you hold both sides, one hand on the rail in the back, and one hand on the handlebar, right? So you're supposed to kick down like that. That's how you make it work. See, that's a proper way how to kick it. Instead the other way is pretty hard. Now I never kick my this is the first time I tried to kickstart, so that's why it's took me maybe a couple try before it's actually really started. But but mostly the kickstart just for emergency. So most of you probably never will ever use it in your lifetime, but for me that's the first time, and it worked great, and that's how you're supposed to do it, or the proper way to do the kickstart your scooter. So hopefully you don't have to do that on your lifetime of riding a scooter, but if in an emergency situation, make sure you think about kickstart your scooter first before anything else, before doing anything, and before calling your brother or your family come and help you tow the scooter home, or even walking home. So that's the first thing you should do. Always remember that. So just a reminder yourself that always try to kickstart if your scooter didn't turn on with the electric start. So hope that is a good helpful tip for you to know. And after you watch this video, go ahead and give it a try in your scooter and see how it goes. Practice make it perfect. So Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.